Hey yeah, welcome to Sweden. So today I'm gonna show you transportation system in Sweden. Sweden has a modern and efficient transport network. So let's start with buses. So here we are at the bus stop, and this is the digital display showing the arrival time of the next bus and bus numbers according to the route. On working days like Monday to Friday, buses arrive every 10 minutes, while on weekends like Saturday, Sunday, or on holidays, they come every 20 minutes. City buses in Sweden are usually red and white, about 12 meters long and 3 meters high. You can buy a bus ticket using the Landstrafiken application or get a physical bus card. Students get discount on tickets. A monthly ticket costs about 800 Swedish krona. All buses are modern and electronic with high technology and mostly manufactured by Mercedes-Benz. It's fully equipped with digital features, map screens, ticket scanners, and you can even buy tickets directly on the bus. For safety purpose, there are smoke detectors, fire extinguishers, and first aid kits, along with many buttons and digital screens. The bus also has a digital display showing the next stop and route, along with announcements for each stop. There is also a space for standing passengers, and Swedish people respect personal space. So if a seat is empty next to someone, most passengers prefer to sit elsewhere or stand. And here, people are scanning their tickets. Other features include charging points, you can see here, and stop buttons. Here is the charging station for electronic buses. So, no matter snow, rain or cold, Swedish buses always run on time, which is really impressive. So now, let's talk about trains. We traveled from Jönköping to Gothenburg in December 2025. The trains are comfortable, well maintained, and punctual. You can buy tickets via the Bus Trafiken. The trains have spacious seating arrangements. You can see. While traveling, I enjoy beautiful views of farms and the countryside through the train window. That's a quick tour of Sweden's buses and trains. I hope you enjoyed it. So, at the end of the video, I'm gonna show you my personal transportation, none other than my own bicycle. So tada! Personally, I love traveling on my own bike because it's quick, eco-friendly, and gives me the freedom to explore the city at my own pace. I really enjoy cycling in Sweden because of the well-maintained bike lanes and beautiful surroundings. When I ride my bike, I feel more connected to the city. Breathe fresh air, discover small places that I might miss while using buses or trains. I think transportation in Sweden is modern, reliable, and enjoyable. No matter the weather, snow or rain, I can rely on the system to run on time, which makes daily travel stress-free. I truly love this place, and I hope my video shows you how easy and pleasant it is to travel around Sweden. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm writing a sweet message for you. See you soon. Hej då, tack så mycket!